They do it very, very well. The parents certainly play their part. There's a great atmosphere in the Park Ground. The stage, my favourite stage in Europe, the App stage. Petty Jones there as well to make that atmosphere as well. And it really helped to get the French early on when they were really pressing Jones first boys. They were down the back, but the crowd often showed they were really choice again to deal with the best side. Has got to the final, and France is the same. I think Davis is